So this is about Google Ads. Is there a way to bulk change ad group names? Yes, there is. Quite often you will have campaigns which may have hundreds or thousands of ad groups, and should you need to change anything on it, either the name or the keywords or whatever, I would highly recommend you download the Google Ads editor. So this is the tool which I use and many other professionals use to make changes at bulk. Not many people know about this. You download it for free and it works seamlessly, and you will save a lot of time when you want to make bulk changes. So things like adding new keywords, pausing keywords, changing the mesh types of keywords, and so on. So it's free of charge. You can download that without any problems.